By the way, guys, just because I'm telling you that Bitcoin is potentially at a look, RSI signals coming up. The only thing we don't have is the volume. Like I said to you, if we pump up, we could go to the next level up here. I'm not telling you to sell your spot Bitcoin or your cold storage Bitcoin. I'm not telling you to sell any of that. But I'm saying to you, if you took a trade down here and you haven't taken profits yet, then it's very, very important that you do take some of those profits off the table. Okay, just exactly like I shared with you, like I actually said to you the other day. So make sure to come over to the channel and subscribe to the video, and of course to the channel, and of course make sure to stay right to the very end so I show you exactly what I do in my Cardano trade. We'll see you inside. How's it going? What's up and what's happening there? Blessed, beautiful, and benevolent souls. Welcome to the Crypto Bliss Show. I'm Kiara, and today I'm so excited. Once again, as always, every single day I'm just excited, guys. What can I say? I am just excited. I love doing what I do here in crypto. I love showing you guys and sharing with you guys exactly what's going on in crypto, and I absolutely love just being in the crypto space with all of you. You guys are all absolutely incredible. So thank you to every single one of my subscribers. Really do appreciate every single one of you for being here with me on the channel. I really do appreciate all the support and the love and the kindness and the care that you always give. Really appreciate that, guys. So yesterday I did some crazy videos for you. And this morning I published this video here where I said Bitcoin did 52 million% in 13 years. What do you think it can do in the next 13 years? Do you think it could do another 52 million%? If we had to do another 52 million% from here, my goodness, guys, we would be on another planet. And maybe that's the intention, right? Actually, let's go and see now, because 30,000 plus 52, 123 million% equals, oh my goodness, this can't even do it. It can't even work it out. So let's actually just get, sorry guys, I actually wanted to give this a try right now for us all. So let's not waste any time. Let's just say the Bitcoin price is $30,000 today. Plus 52 million%. Holy shit. $15.6. 15,600,000,000 per Bitcoin one day. I don't think so. I don't think that could happen, at least not in the next 13 years. Okay, but 52 million% is insane. So that the percentage over the next 13 years will definitely diminish, but it doesn't mean that it's not going to gain. I mean, personally, I think Bitcoin still at least has a 100x left inside it, which will probably be like a 52,000% or a 520,000% gain. So that's pretty insane, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, please. Now, of course, on the channel today, I will be speaking about the market cap, which is currently up 1.7% for the day, 1.231 billion. Bitcoin is now holding above the 30,000 level, which is great. 30,600. Ethereum at 1886, BNB at 245, XRP at 49 cents, Cardano at 29.37. And actually, guys, yesterday in this video here, as you can see there, I did put a few altcoins there. But I did say to you that I believe Cardano definitely has a huge trade potential on a pullback, and I'm going to show you because I did enter in, and I'm going to just keep entering into my position and building on that position, because Cardano, without a doubt, is definitely going to go up. And of course, have a tight stop loss. That's all that matters. $17 for Solana and Dogecoin 67 cents. Okay. Fear and Greed Index today is 62, so it's down 3 points from yesterday. Crypto bubbles, Bitcoin Cash is smashing up, guys, obviously, because we know where they're going for. So they're looking at Bitcoin Cash, and BSV is another Bitcoin pairing. Sorry, another Bitcoin. And that's also up 19.2. And interesting, Ethereum Classic is up 8.8%, but Ethereum isn't up 8.8%. So that's very interesting. So, guys, I will look for a number of other trades, and if you hit the notification bell, then you will see that video. Now, at the time of doing this video, is the 24th of June, and I am recording this video at 10 to 11, and I will make other trading videos for you shortly after this video, and that I will release to you a little bit later today. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, because there are definitely some cool trades to make. I just got into, and I'm going to build my position on Cardano, and we'll have a look at what that will do in the next couple of days. So I'll share that with you guys as well. And you know, of course, I love sharing small trades with you guys. Make no mistake, I have multiple accounts that I do multiple different things with, and the specific account that I'm showing you here on Bybit is for small accounts, so that I motivate people that don't have a lot of money to say to them, well, actually, it is easy to get into trade. It is easy to take $10 and build $10 into $300, $400, $500, you know, when the markets are moving and looking good. And this is the point, is that you can do it. Then you bank your profits and you build on your accounts, you build on your investments. And that's the whole point of this. And you can start small and you can eventually grow big. And if you can do it small, you can definitely do it big, but your strategy will have to adapt when you do grow, of course, because the amount of money grows and your psychological level at that level actually grows too. So I did speak to you guys today about, in that video yesterday, about the daily coin Cardano, regular bullish trends, optimistic investors, new protocol, and price bump. Now, you know, after all of this news here yesterday, basically you can see that there are huge bullish signals on Cardano at the moment, and you know, how do I say this? Boasting a daily trading volume of 234 million and a market cap of 10 billion. Notably, the token has surged a modest 2% on June 23rd, so that was yesterday, and an impressive 15% over the past week. Because remember, Cardano had this insane drop and then all of a sudden pump back up. So I did say to you guys that Cardano would, at many videos ago, that Cardano might end up at like 15 cents, 10 to 15 cents, but it didn't go there, and I think Cardano has hit its bottom officially. I don't think Cardano will go lower than this point that it hit here. But you can see all of the indications here are to say that wallets are increasing. You know, there's so much information here to say that Cardano is a good project at the moment, and it is very likely a good trade to take. No financial advice, of course, please. I am just sharing with you exactly what it is that I'm doing. And then, is there anything that I want to go and show you here? No, not really. Not really much at the moment. Okay, guys, so let's go and have a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart first. Of course, as always, you guys can see my channel. It's bouncing and respecting this channel right now. We're under the medium line. We were actually rejected by the median line here and the top line there, the median line here, not quite the top line there. So for me, we're oversold. We're pulling up, although there's a lot of sell volume and sell pressure right now on this current candle. But I do see that we could just maybe tip and kind of consolidate sideways and then maybe make another move up to the 52 to 54% level. But we could also consolidate for some time, guys. Look how long we consolidated here before we actually moved out. So we're only just starting this consolidation pattern, which is actually great because it gives you an opportunity to accumulate. Okay, the Dixie, let's go and see how the Dixie actually closed on the weekly, because the Dixie on the weekly will show us and give us an indication as to where Bitcoin could be heading over the next little while. So Dixie on the weekly is now heading a little bit of a bearish signal, and we're under the 200, guys. So for me now, personally, the Dixie is confirming the dead cat bounce that I actually spoke about on one of my videos a little while ago. The next level is this level here, which is the 100 level, of course. And then further down, as I said, here's my next target, and that would be down at 88, 89. So let me know if you guys think that it's going to go anywhere near that. But that's what I personally see over the next couple of years. I don't think it's going to happen tonight or tomorrow or even this year, perhaps. But there's definitely an indication of a dead cat bounce at this point here, guys. So for me, the dollar is looking like it's in a downward trend. The ETH BTC pair is pushing down as well. Very, very looking juicy. Now let's get on to the others. Now, in fact, before I go on to the others, Bitcoin, as you can see here, consolidated in a triangle pattern, broke out, almost got up to the 32,000 level and that target, but didn't quite. So it's a couple $100 away from that again. So could it actually essentially break out of this triangle again? And then, you know, here's the resistance level. Could we get up to the 32K, reach the target, and then come back down? Yes, it is likely that we could do that, especially because the RSI is a little bit oversold right now. So that would be a very, very interesting indication or sign here. as you can see, there is a little bit of a pattern happening there once again on the Bitcoin chart. Now, guys, the other is very, very interesting, right? Because a couple of hours ago, we have volume, we had the RSI pump, a couple of buy signals. We only had a little sell signal there, but now we've got buy signals. We've broken this high again. So for me, on the others, it seems as though we are looking juicy to go up. So quickly back to the Bitcoin price while that chart loads. Look at this beautiful. We might end up having one more little pump up to the upside. Yes, before we end up going up. Now, guys, I told you that I exited my long position in Bybit, and let's go and see if I can actually see the long position. Bybit. Bitcoin, BTC. Okay, let's see if it shows me my position where I exited. No, it didn't. Okay, guys, but I exited on this candle here. Why? Because this is a shooting star. It's a shooting star or a topping tail candle. That tells me that we would have probably come back down, but we didn't because we were in momentum. So I exited on this candle, 50% of my trade, and then I exited on this candle here, my other 50% of the trade, because this candle was pushing lower, broke a lower, didn't go higher there. So I said, well, let me rather get out and rather take my profits. And yes, I missed this little pump here, but that's okay. This is the thing about trading. And if you do trading and you take a proper trading strategy, I mean, I got in all the way down there and I took profits up here, and my stop loss was underneath that price, underneath this price here, guys. So there, more or less. So I basically had a 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade. That was amazing, guys. I took profits and I walked away. Thanks for coming. Cheers. Bye-bye. So the point I'm trying to make to you guys is that trades are absolutely awesome. And you can see I'm not just talking shit. Here's my Cardano trade. I have got it at a 10x leverage, very small, and I'm showing you how to build small accounts. I'm probably going to build this position to about 500 to about 750 Cardano, just depending on you know, how we track Cardano and how it looks. So let's go back to the others, because this is the very, very big reason as to why I'm considering. Because right now we've pumped a little bit, but are we going to pull back because Bitcoin's pulling back? Perhaps we might do that a little bit, but essentially you can see that we are, if we can close the daily candle here and potentially the weekly candle on the others above this 200 moving average, guys, I'm pretty confident that we will see a very, very strong bullish trend coming in. Now, look at where we are here on the weekly. We've had strong buy volume come into these altcoins. So, guys, for me, double bottom is hit on the altcoin range, and I would say that altcoins are probably, without a doubt, going to start actually coming back up to the 200 moving average here, like I said on my videos yesterday. So if you guys want to make sure that you're subscribing to my channel, keeping updated with me, then hit that notification bell and subscribe to the channel, because that's what you have to do. And please like the video, because I share this beautiful content with you, knowing that we are making money out here together, guys. So good reversal signals right now, good reversal candle. This candle didn't break below that one. So there's ticks that you're actually making to ensure that you make good trades. So guys, I'm going to say to you now, honestly, there's huge resistance up here. Okay, so that's essentially my take profit level on some of my altcoins. That's where I'm going to consider potentially getting out of some of my altcoins. Okay, let's pull this up here, because that's where essentially so it's a 4-to-1 ratio. So I've been dollar cost averaging in these positions. So I'm going to take some profits on some of these trades, and then I'll wait for a pullback, and then I'll re-enter. Why? Because I'm 4xing my portfolio just by waiting for this to go up to this peak. Of course, I'm not going to sell everything. I'll probably sell, you know, 10 to 25%. And then I'll let the rest of it run up to the next level up here, right? And that level up there is even more insane, guys, because up there to that level is a 13-to-1. So you're 13xing your entire portfolio if you're patient enough to just wait through the beautiful times. Guys, thanks for being here on the video. If you want to trade this with me, make sure to hit my Bybit link down below, and that will give you a $30,000 deposit bonus. If you don't know where that is on the video, then please make sure to click on the video and check the description down below. You can see here's my Bybit $30,000 deposit bonus, and here also is the Bitflex deposit $100 and get $50 link right there. Make sure to do that. And of course, no financial advice and trading financial advice. I'm just sharing with you exactly what it is that I'm doing. So, I put my money where my mouth is, and I don't just talk. I show you guys as well, whether it's a small trade or a big trade is irrelevant. The point is that you're watching your levels and you can build your account as you grow along. And the point is making sure that you manage your risk and take profits off the table as the trade goes up. Okay, because this was a massive rally here. Okay. Anyways, guys, thanks for being here on the channel. Appreciate every single one of you. We'll see you on the next one. Beautiful soul.